Hello friends, let us discuss about the issues in the classification. So the following are the issues which are present in the classification. First is the issue is related with the missing data. As we know that missing data value cause various problems during both the phases, that is training phase and the classification process itself. So missing values is very difficult to handle, and due to this missing values we will get inaccurate results. So missing data in a tuple may be classified and must be able to handle by resulting the classification scheme. There are many approaches by which we can handle the missing data. Like first, ignore the missing data. This is one way. If we ignore the missing data, then we don't need think about or we don't need to assume the data. So that will not create any problem in the result or on the accuracy of the output. Second one is assume the value for the missing data. We can assume the value if we require, but this may determine by using some method to predict what value could be we predict or assume. That is depend upon so many factors. This is one way with which we can just handle out the missing values also. The next approach is we can also assume some special values for the missing data. That means if the value of missing data is taken to be specific value of its own, let us consider some constant or some fixed value we considered for the missing data, that will not affect on your accuracy factor. So this is one thing we can assume. So this is related with your missing data issue. Now we are talking about measuring the performance. So this is a very important issue, that is measuring the performance. Only doing or only executing the things is or only getting the result is not the thing, but we have to measure the performance of the information which we achieved as output. The performance of the classification algorithm is usually examined by the accuracy of the classification. Since classification is often a fuzzy problem, the correct result is depend upon the user. So we know that uh, fuzzy is what? Fuzzy is nothing but the uncertainty that we are going to consider while predicting any answer or analyzing any answer. That is depend upon the user itself. The classification accuracy is usually calculated by determining the percentage of tuple placed in the correct class. This means that if you are having 100 tuples and if we successfully classify 50 tuples to correct class, it means that algorithm is providing you 50% accuracy. So this is how we can calculate the accuracy of the classification. This ignores the fact that there also may be a cost associated with incorrect assignment to the wrong class. So we have to face some problems if we are associating the values to the wrong class, that due to that we have to suffer. So that thing we also should remember. So we can use some methods to just measure the performance, like operating characteristics curve or receiver operating characteristic curve or relative operating system operating characteristic curve. This shows the relationship between the false positive and the false positive and true positive. So we'll go with the diagram which is given below. So on x-axis we are having a false positive, and on y-axis we are having a true positive. Every tuple we are trying to map to these values, whether they are following in the false positive, whether they are following in a true positive. This complete information we can achieve. If you are not considering anything, then definitely we will have a smooth curve. We will have a smooth curve like this. So this is the straight line is nothing but the smooth curve when we are assuming that everything is fine. But when we try to classify every tuple to the respective classes, then definitely we will have some kind of zigzag kind of pattern in which the tuples are get classified into the true positive or false positive. So this like a you can say this curve is looks like a jagged or steps like so this complete curve we can obtain with the help of confusion matrix. That is what we discussed right now, which is using information retrieval system. Like I think you might have remember the diagram in which we talked about the precision and recall, and circle is get divided into four quadrants, that is relevant retrieve, relevant not retrieve, not relevant retrieve, and so on. So that is a confusion matrix. On that basis we can uh, develop this curve. So this is confusion matrix, and on the basis of this we are obtaining this diagram. So this is on the basis of this diagram we can say that the classification problem is solved up to what extent or what is the accuracy of the classification algorithm. Thank you.